nap. We need one. But knowing me, 20-minute nap will turn into a 40-minute nap. So we got like okay. So I did my pre-check-in or pre-arrival check-in online today. Now they sent me another email saying to complete your online check-in. Then thank you. Then I did it the last time too, before I checked in at St. Louis. And I did it before St. Louis, and you know what, guys, that phone's just over half, so no, it's like 75%, so you know what? Yeah, it's at 60%, guys, so you know what? I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes or so. Give it another 10 minutes. Maybe get 10 more bars or 10 more percent. With 70%, we should be all right. Guys, let me give you a little tour of the shop, because they actually, so you have some gear here. There's some Chicago Cubs gear. See, they have some warm stuff here. They got a little party speaker. See, they got some gloves. Gorilla tape. Duct tape and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, stuff to fix your car. She's very organized. Tapes and adhesive. Special promotions. Tire and air. Got a little rear view mirror in there. Bungee cords for cargo control. Oh look, they even got like a nice bubbly Caribou Pass bubble coat. Hard hats and stuff. Nice flower blouse. But yeah, they got a bunch of stuff here, guys. Pretty nicely run shop. Knives and tools. They got an old school Stanley thermal cup. Yeah, this is a really nice shop. Only got those blankets, those Indian or like local Native American made blankets. See, win the beer run, Bud Light. They got everything here. Beer. I mean, you could live here. Look, they got sounds and stuff too. They got a refurbished iPad mini. The Garmin security cameras, walkie-talkie, CDs. They got like a whole stationary office center here, guys. Check that out, huh? Oils and lubricants. Yeah, sadly they only got flip-flops. They don't have any boots. Yeah, guys, this is a very nicely run shop. They got like whiskeys and liquors right behind the countertop. And yeah, guys, there's 5% left. There's 5% left of our battery. Hey guys, and yeah, hopefully our masks have dried up a little bit. Yeah, they dry quickly. They're very thin. So yeah, guys, 2 more hours to go. Thank you for tuning in for this little warm-up break. Yeah, certainly was needed, and that Chilli, guys, that Chilli needs an award. I'm gonna say that to the guy walking out. I don't know if he's gonna get what I'm coming from. Yeah, this is really extreme cocoa, guys. There's a lot of cacao in there. That'll be perfect timing. Because, yeah, maybe 5 more minutes, that phone's gonna... Maybe that phone's gonna acquire another, like, yeah. If it gets up to like 70%, I think we should be alright, though. Till the end of the ride.